Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Janice. Today I'm going to show you that in ChatGPT, I can actually create a company logo and even a name card. Today I just did it. And this is exactly what I prompt. Suggest a good company logo for my business, Janice Ong Training and Consulting. Then it comes up with several strong logo concepts for this business. Yeah, so talk about minimal monogram plus mark, highly recommended. Things like that, like using GOTC with a full business name. It says why it works well. Okay, and all this, but I don't like this. I don't want this GO and GOTC. I don't like. Then let's get the second option. They offer growth and transformation symbol. Abstract symbol representing growth, progress, transformation, upward arrow, steps, rising bars, and all that. Why it works well, and all these things. Style type, upward, confident. Again, I don't like that. The suggestion, I don't like it. Okay, signature style, personal brand logo. Your name, Janice Ong, in a signature or handwritten font with training consulting underneath in clean text. Okay, why it works well, a bit strong personality, authority. Great if you are the brand speaking, facilitating leadership training. Style type, elegant script, legible, not decorative. Subscript, simple sans serif. Colors black and soft gold or deep blue, light gray. Okay, this one I like it. Okay, now let's look at the fourth option. A strap, compass and path logo. A symbol representing, suggesting like direction, guidance and clarity. Okay, I don't really like it. Let's see what it says. Why it works, because all this is about helping clients find direction, feel strategic and thoughtful. When I was thinking direction, it may point something that I don't like and the direction and all that. So then it says that style type, a compass point, path line, way line, and the font type, the colors. I don't like that. So then it will say, oh, the suggestion, which is the ChatGPT top recommendation on maximum credibility, long-term flexibility. Go with this. I don't really like their suggestion, the brand. They say that, oh, this works well in training slides, corporate proposal, and all that. Then it will say that if you like, I can generate actual logo design. You see, you can actually generate actual logo design, several styles to choose from. Have you pick colors based on your target audience, design a version that works for slides, social media, and print. You can do all these things. But let me tell you something though, I forgot to tell you guys. You need to log into your account to generate images, photos, images, and all that. So basically, I've logged in, and then it will tell you who are your main clients. Do you prefer modern, premium, or friendly? And I just straight away reply after reading all this, right? Reading, glancing through, I just says I don't like with GO or GOTC, and then I prefer signature style. Then they will say, oh, this is a good choice, perfect for training and consulting and authority phase and all that. Then okay, and then it says, okay, I'll give you a signature concept. Handwritten style name as the hero, and then come with a clean progression like this Janice Ong plus signature style. Okay, this is basically a signature style. Janice Ong training is a clean modern font. So this will be a signature style, then this is a clean modern font. And positions as credible, approachable, premium, but corporate code. Not corporate code, not corporate code. It's a corporate code, but not corporate code. So the font style guidance, not all font scripts work for consulting. So yeah, I want elegant, confident, legible, not playful. So signature is actually good, and yeah, it's what I like. Signature is more formal and nice, smooth, and all that. So yeah, I think I'll go with this, and then we'll see about the subtitle fonts type. Why they recommend this using this font? Okay, and yeah, then okay, then talk about the color as well. The palette suggestion. What kind of color? Option 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then yeah, the color types, the essence, and the logo version. Is it with I mean logo, full name plus subtitle, slides, all these things, black and white, social media, how this logo will be used, all this LinkedIn training, corporate proposal certificates, websites, image signature, and all these things. So then it will say, if you want, I can design a signature style logo mockup, suggest exact fonts, and then it actually works across Canva, PowerPoint, and print. So then then they will say, you prefer elegant, modern, clean, or warm, or portable signature style. Then I actually told the ChatGPT, I want very elegant and then modern, clean. Okay, then okay, elegant, modern, clean, premium, competent. Then logo type, Janice Ong, training consulting, hero as the hero, Janice Ong as the signature. Okay, key characteristics. This is the characteristics. Slightly naturally slant, middleweight, and all that. Description of this font and small cap or all cap, all these aspects. Okay, thinner font centered under your name. Okay, color palette, deep navy, description, all these aspects, the background color, and ultra premium and charcoal black, and all these aspects. So yeah, this one I'll definitely avoid. I don't want like this binary. Yeah. So this you can ask the designer to design based on above all the settings, or ChatGPT can create a. So I was ChatGPT create the signature mockup. Okay, signature mockup. And no, saying about feminine elegant. No, I'm not really feminine, so I prefer executive elegant. Okay, then I just put the executive elegant. Okay, then yeah, I will go through all these things again. Name, clean format, and yeah, description type, the font size, color palette, all this typography, logo variation. You must use where is it used? Then asking me, okay, again, design the mockup. Okay, then I'll just say create a mockup. Then it comes up with the mockup. I like it. I like the logo. Fits me actually. The signature style and then the text of training consulting below. Yeah, the first mockup I really like it. Yeah. So then I say make it higher resolution. To be frank, the file resolution is very small. Even I say with higher resolution, it's still very small. Not that perfect. Yeah, not that perfect. Like this. Okay, it's very small, but I like the design. Then I say I want to create a name card for this logo. Okay, for this logo. Yeah, and then it comes out with the name card like this. Name card, quite nice, right? Yeah, name card. And then I say I want to put my photo. There's an empty space over here. I want to put a photo in the name card. Then he put a photo in the name card like that. Then I realized one thing. This photo, Janice Ong Training and Consulting is not here. The name or the brand, what business name is just Janice Ong. And I told ChatGPT to put the company name, Janice Ong Training, to be in the logo as well, and with the photo. Then okay, then it create lor. Then it come up with all the prompt again, and then yeah, then it come out with this. Okay, this one's slightly higher resolution, but it's still not completely perfect for. To be fair, it's still not completely perfect for printing. It's just a concept to for yeah, use. Anyway, I won't be printing it. Just some idea on to get this up, the logo design and the name card. Okay, so that's it. I got my logo and my name card without paying anyone. I just use ChatGPT to create my business name card. Yeah, the company logo, which is looking pretty nice. It's okay, pretty nice. What do you guys think? Do you like the design of this business name, Janice Ong Training and Consulting? Okay, so yeah, you guys can start creating your logos, your business logo, your link card using ChatGPT now completely for free. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.